So basically what we're going to do today is we have a live fire training exercise in cooperation with the folks here from GPSTC and Houston County.
Yes, sir.
And the purpose of that is for them to do a real live type fire training scenario in which we'll have fires that are burned in certain portions of the house that will be put out to where afterwards we can bring our K9 units in from the state arson unit and do practice runs on their search of the area and identifying potential accelerants in the house.
We're going to be using several different type of accelerants today so our dogs can sniff. We're going to be putting them in different locations so we can have our dogs check all the areas. We're going to have several different spots we're going to put in 4 different rooms to search our areas. We've got 6 dogs right now for the state. We'll be expanding the next couple months to 8 dogs. We use labs as a primary dog. Labs are curious, they're more playful, and they want to seek out everything. A dog's noses are about 60,000 times better than a regular human nose, so they can sniff minute traces of gasoline or any accelerant used to set fires.
The reason we employ so many dogs for our agency is we do cover statewide jurisdiction, and we provide that support to the local fire departments and sheriff's departments and police departments that request us to come in. And we bring a K9 in, it really does help to reduce the amount of labor that has to go into investigating the scene, because they can go in and process the scene quickly and identify any accelerants that may have been used in the house. So we try and have as many of those as we possibly can spread across the state so we have a quick response time. Commissioner King, who is our commissioner of Office of Insurance Safety Fire Commissioner's Office, he's made K9s a top priority for our agency in providing that service to local jurisdictions. So we want to make sure that we have as many of that resource as possible and that we can deploy them as quickly as possible to the jurisdictions that request that.
We're trying to have our K9 spaced out through the state of Georgia to respond to pretty much anywhere any department needs us within about an hour and a half, so we can get there quickly. We have 11 investigators for the state of Georgia right now. We're trying to expand them so we can have more in the areas where needed.
So this training has been beneficial for our investigators and our K9s that have come out here today in order for us to be able to sharpen their skill on the investigator and the K9 side, and to be able to get in a more real live fire training environment. So it went very well for us, and we were proud to work with our partners that come out here and helped us today.
We want to thank everybody that was involved to help us do this training, and appreciate everything y'all do for us.